things. I think it all depends on our game plan, on our plays, on our checks. Going into that game, getting to the line of scrimmage, we had certain checks, first looks, and just trying to get in and out of those checks as fast as possible, as clean as possible, and as crisp as possible. So, with whatever, is called, that's what we want to do, is execute and have a fast tempo and play fast. But you could do that in the gun under center, whatever, based on the play.
How much of your size and athleticism will make the Wildcat work?
I don't know. We don't even really know what our game plans are yet. We don't know. We're just out here trying to execute the plays that they call. So, hopefully I can add something to this team. I feel like that's, why I'm here. Whatever I can do to help, I'm going to do it with all my heart.
But if you weren't as big and as fast as you are, it might be tough to run the Wildcat if you do that.
Well, I mean, this is the NFL, so it does help to, to have a little more size and speed. So.
South dominating the press conference in Cortland is home away from home. Top plays coming up next.
It's from the center. Oh, what a play by Granderson. Got a jump, reached up, and pulled it in.
One day after Chad Johnson's arrest, the Dolphins cut the wide receiver from the roster. Will take you to their news conference as they address the decision.
This season, losing scares Carl Edwards even more than trading paint with a car full of flaws.
Nothing beats first place. The Pure Michigan 400, Sunday at noon Eastern on ESPN. Can't stop me, no, you can't stop me, no, you can't stop me, no.
You want to save money on car insurance? You want to save money on car insurance?